Hello, everybody. I'm Philip Williams here with eCapital. And in this video, I'm going to talk through the Office Connect writeback function. This is a new feature that came out in the Adaptive 2024 R2 release. And to showcase this new feature, we'll walk through a budget analysis scenario and show an entire workflow in Excel that leverages the writeback feature to update a budget. So let's jump into our Office Connect report book. The first tab we have is a P&L view that does an actuals versus budget analysis on the left side for the latest month and on the right side for year to date. We can see we're doing pretty well the last month. It looks like from a year to date perspective, we're slightly under budgeting operating expenses, so we can drill into the account level by hitting expand all on this report and identify a specific account that's driving our variance. In this case, it looks like there's a few accounts that we could dig into. For the sake of example, we'll just select payroll taxes to look at. And now that we've identified this account, we want to answer the question, is this an under budgeting issue across the entire company or only specific departments? So we can use our next tab to pivot that account and look at the analysis by department. So in our filters, if we select the specific account that we want to look at and then refresh, that data will update and we can identify specific departments that are under budgeting for payroll taxes. So here we can see Sales North is a contributor. If we were ever curious what's making up this 6,000 number, we always do have the option to right click and explore cell and get directed to the transaction level detail contributing there that we've brought into Excel. And if we're ever curious where a budgeted number is coming from, we can also do the same thing, explore cell and get directed to the specific model and maybe update any assumptions that are contributing to this budgeted number. But for this video, we'll walk through manually updating and overriding that budgeted number for the rest of the year using the writeback function. And to use the writeback function, it's really as simple as having a report and selecting the range that you want to change, entering writeback mode by selecting this button. That'll highlight the cells that are available for writeback. The same cells will be available that are available for manually typing over in an adaptive sheet, as well as in cube sheets, as long as you bring in all the different elements, all the dimensions and attributes that are on that cube sheet into your report here, you can enter writeback mode and change data. For this example, we'll update payroll expenses here. If we wanted to increase, we can type over 5,000. Well, let's increase it maybe to 6,000 to make sure that we're not underrepresenting. Can copy and paste. And then we'll be good there. I also saw that training was a little bit low. So the great thing about writeback is you have access to your Excel formula. So if I wanted to do an average of the first 3 months of actuals for the year, I can actually use the average formula in Excel, select those 3 months. Maybe I want to lock that range, enter it, and then I can grab that formula and apply it to these cells. And then to submit changed data, you just select submit. That'll show you when it's completed submitted. And then you can close out of writeback mode and refresh and see that that data has now been added to the budget. And that'll conclude this demo. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching.